Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sofoni Admin. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing this look. If you wanted to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. I need you back on it, girl. Riding like a pony, girl. It's all yours, baby. It's all yours, baby. Don't think I'm cheating on you, girl. Don't think I'm creeping on you. Hey guys, I'm going to prime my eyelid with this JUVIA'S Place concealer in shade 12, and I'm going to blend it with a flat beauty blender. I can't really talk because I've been sick, so I apologize if you can't hear me. I had the worst cold, you guys. So I'm going to tell you guys the colors I use in the palette, and I'm gonna let you guys watch what I'm doing. If you want a product, everything will be in the description box below. I'm going to use this Huda eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this color called Man Eater, and I'm gonna take the henna, then the light pink called Shy. All three colors are from the same palette. Now I'm going to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. I can't remember what store I get them from. I think the palette called LA Colors. I don't know. I'm going to take this silver shimmer color. Here's one thing about me. When it comes to eyeshadow palette, I don't really care about their names. If I love the colors, I'm going to buy it. These eyeshadows are so beautiful. I love all of them, you guys. Oh my God. All right. Oh, I love my sweater. It's so beautiful, isn't it? It's really beautiful. I love the material. Anyways, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell after you subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one.